Hello, what's up, guys? I hope you're doing fine. Once again, you're listening to Lucid Plug, and got a bit of some charts here today, and I want to talk about the poetry in price action. So, what is these poetry in price action? What is the market basically doing? So, I I have been trying to take quite a new view on what the market is doing, and I've been trying like off late to see the market as an entity that is just dancing to this rhythm, and then it's a rhythm where you can where you get where you have to get patient and watch it dance. You can also take the participation in the dance by, you know, getting serious with the business. But first of all, the main criteria here is you are finding something new that you have not come across ever in your life, and you come to realize that okay, this thing in a way has got me in all ways, emotionally, um mentally. It just tries to challenge your thoughts and how you feel. If you're not okay, of course it's going to show who you are and what you are. If you are broken, and this here is a chance to grow. Okay, so I took it as a chance to um learn these new, I don't want to call it new stuff, Berean study. They call it that. So I am trying to understand myself through this thing, and it's art. Okay. So we had quite a capitulation here, and we see this happening here on Friday. Trying to look at this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, which was invalidated on Friday. So it will be. I'm trying to see whether it will be used as an inversion fair value gap to push price lower. Um, and in that case, I'm also looking forward to whether there is going to be a sell side imbalance being created. Um, there's these thing I've been trying to work on off late, and it's focus on the 4 hour time frame. So this is where I am finding clarity, and this is where I am making sure that if this doesn't happen, then I'm not going to participate in the market. Okay, so this is where I know um when to anticipate and what to anticipate. Okay, so one of the things that I have come to find fascinating in the market is these imbalances that it's creating um on forward, and the the imbalances are being rebalanced later on in time, and also how the market is utilizing it's engineering the liquidity, and then it's rating the liquidity. So all of that you can, if you can get to understand all of that, and you bring um that new perspective into your trading, you get to learn every single day, because these opportunities are here, and they do exist, and it's just a matter of time and price and watching these candlesticks. So where Michael talks about you know the PD arrays, you gotta get good with them. Yes, so that's what I had to present for today. And I was looking for gold at gold. So before I go, I want to leave you with something here. Okay, this is a buy side imbalance being used here as an inversion fair value gap to drive price lower. Okay, there is a volume imbalance there, so you include that one there. So you can see that transaction there, and you can take advantage of that. Do you see the time there? This is the 4 hour time frame, and this is 6 a.m. I want to take a look at what will be happening at 6 a.m. up to the silver bullet 10 a.m. Okay, so this is the Nasdaq. So currently we have these sell side imbalance here, and these breakaway gap here, and this one here. Want to see what the price will reach to these. Remember what this was. So being used as an inversion fair value gap. Okay, so that's what I'm watching. So in the meantime, I'm looking at whether how these kind of stick will close, and I will grade this one here. I want to see how that will be used, whether we can gravitate higher. Um, this market right now, I am looking for lower prices, and I'll be looking for lower prices for quite a time, because we have had this drama here. Okay, and we see what's happening here already. Okay, so um, those who know what's happening, you know what's happening. Okay, so I wanted to look at the gold, 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 gold. I had these. I got me confused here. Okay, there's a lot of entries. Don't worry about that one. That one there and there. I was trying to call some things. I've been trading gold now, focusing on Nasdaq, so we see that there.